Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to add image of product through image URL. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev product image from URL. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory, go to products, go to anyone like a 3-seat sofa and see here this image. See here image URL. I want to add here another. So copy this link and add here. Let's save and see here this image is updatable. Thank you.